What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we continue, to let you know this is not a financial advice. You can do whatever you wish with your money. I'm just a guy giving out my opinion on YouTube. Okay, and before anything else, it's time to take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, let's get into it. Now, today I want to talk about Quant, ticket symbol QNT. Okay, before anything else, let's go into the price action. Okay, here I can tell, like I told you guys, we were hovering about below that 94.95 on a dollar, $95, and I was telling you guys that we needed to break above 100 and $104 to be able to be bullish. Okay, and as you can see, I said that a couple of yesterday, or I think you can check my last video on Quant. You can see that is what is happening here. There is this big resistance on the ribbon. Look at with the ribbon. If you can see the ribbon right now, you see that there is a big resistance, and we have to be above that 105. Okay, 105, and travel all the way above the 200 moving average. That is why right now I'm still a little bit cautious. And to see it even better, let's go under, let's say on the 4 hour, on the 4 hourly. Let's go on the 4 hourly. There you go. 4 hourly. You can see the move has already started. As you can see, we broke above the ribbon. Okay, you both above the ribbon. We tested that 200 moving average, got rejected, and now we are going back again to retest it to see if we break above it. Because breaking the 200 moving and going above the $104, $105, come back, confirm it as a support, will be a move. There will be a move that will move the price up to $120, because the $120 is the next resistance that we have. Then breaking that resistance, that will take us up to $150, because that is where we have another resistance. If you go on the weekly, I think on the weekly you can see it a little bit more clear. As you can see right here, we need to get above that 105, but on the weekly, once we get there, pass above 114, the next resistance will be out there around 120. Now 120, we had a lot of trading around that 120. Okay, we had a lot of trading right there. Then the biggest one where we get rejected was around that 150. Okay, 150. So we got to make sure. We want to make sure we go above those prices for Quant to take off. But I think all that is about to change, right? It's about to change. But before we go into the reasons why I think it's about to change, all these moves, they are all money-making opportunity. Okay, if you want to, I do have my 2 links below, Bydfi and also Phemex. So those of you who can use those links, sign up. On the Bydfi, get a $3,000 bonus and start trading with it. On Phemex, there is also bonuses. So sign up with those and get the free money for the house. But I do not condone leverage trading if you do not know what you're saying. Like I said at the beginning, this is not a financial advice, okay? But do not leverage trade if you do not know what you're doing, because leverage trading is a hot ticket to wreck city, which means you can lose your money as fast as possible if you don't know what you're doing, okay? But if you do, the links are below. Okay, you'll be helping the channel out, and you'll be making money in the process. All right, so now let's go to the reason why I'm telling you that the price of Quant is about to run, like explode to the highest. You remember my last video, I told you guys the government is not going to miss out, right? First, they came with the United Kingdom regulating stable coins opening the way to Project Gateway. But before that, we had Project Agora. Okay, now what happens? We only got 2 weeks. We only got 2 weeks. 2 weeks for the private round of Project Agora, which means the banks, institutions, or whoever that wants to get into Project Agora because trust me, you will not be able to use Quant over Ledger. Okay, you will not be able to use Quant over Ledger if you do not have Quant. Okay, because I think it's going to work with the point that you have to stake Quant. Okay, you have to stake Quant for you to be able to take part on Project Agora. Okay, you have to do that, and it came out today. Okay, it came out today. Like I was telling you guys, like the government and the people with big money are not going to miss. If you go look at Project Agora, we have almost 9 major banks in the world who have already signed up. Okay, we have 9 major banks that have already signed up, and we found out today. I actually found out that BlackRock, they are also applying. They are applying to get into that juicy money. BlackRock is applying on Project Agora. I told you guys that this will happen. Now imagine once BlackRock applies. Okay, BlackRock applies, they get in there, and that opens the way for something more. I'm pretty sure BlackRock will push for Quant ETF. Trust me, they will push for it. Okay, so right now everything, like, look at this. Let me show you something right quick. Let me show you something right quick. This was just amazing when I saw it. Look at that. Project Agora moves to next phase and opens up call for private sector participation. Look at the date, 14. The date on the 14th, and it came out today. Okay, it came out today that those people only got 2 weeks, because in 2 weeks we are launching. I don't have much time. I would have shown you the real tweet that Quant posted on their Twitter, on their X page. I can never get used to that shit. I always call it Twitter. Quant posted that over there, that it is only 2 weeks, and those guys are about to get into the project, which means they have to purchase Quant. And when I say BlackRock, okay, even the IMF, because the IMF is about to use Quant over Ledger for the CBDC, for the digital dollar. So people telling you that they're going to use XRP or Stellar Lumens, that is not true. The IMF, International Monetary System, they're about to use Quant over Ledger. And Project Agora, they're about to take part into it. Okay, that's what I say. Take advantage of these moves. Take advantage of them. Okay, like I will show you my position right now, because I open one, and I'm always transparent with you guys, right? I open a position, and let me go to it right quick. Right here. Let's open up my Bydfi. Let's get into my positions and Quant. See, I think I showed you the last time I showed you my position, I was up only 7%. The news came out today, the price jumped, and as you can see, I'm up 18%. 18% on my position. So yeah, it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time, because this wealth transfer is happening. And if you're smart enough, you want to position yourself in the middle of it. Because those of them that get in right now, they're the people who will benefit from it. I'm telling you, once this Project Agora takes off, Quant staking follows, which is Project Gateways. Quant is going to run. This season, I think Quant is going to hit 10,000 this run. This bull run. Anything between 5 to 10,000. But I'm pretty sure 10,000 is very possible. And now, if BlackRock applies for the Quant ETF, oh my goodness, from our next run, 2029, 2030 run, I see Quant at $40,000 or $50,000. Trust me on that when I tell you that, because Quant has a better tokenomics than Bitcoin. If Bitcoin at its tokenomics right now is hitting $60,000, $70,000, what do you think will happen to Quant that only has almost about half of Bitcoin supply? So get ready, okay? Get ready, guys. Get ready. Project Agora in 2 weeks should like take off. Get ready and watch, because I will not be surprised that by August Quant will probably be at $1,000. Okay, so please let me know what you think. I just gave you a little bit of my technical analysis and what I think about this subject. So please like, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments below. Okay, turn on your bell notification, because you know YouTube will only send it to you and a lot of people if there is too much noise on this channel about these subjects that I'm always talking about. Okay, it's simple. If you know, you know. Quant is going to make you money. That I can guarantee you. Like I said, it's not a financial advice. Okay, it's not a financial advice. It's up to you to do this. Get into positions or invest it on the invest on the spots. Okay, like I said, thank you for checking out my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.